fastest way to destroy a man is to give him money before discipline. Because if a man doesn't know how to control himself when he's broke, money just usually gives him more ways to ruin his life faster. Now he can afford the distractions. More women, more partying, more drugs, more ego, and especially more bad decisions. And people start treating him important because he has money. Nah, money doesn't unlame you. So he thinks attention is respect and start thinking he's becoming a better man when he's actually just becoming a richer version of the same undisciplined person. That's why you see people who finally touch money start to lose focus. Because money without discipline gives a man access before he developed the maturity to handle the access properly. And that's why some men stay rich for over a decade and others lose everything in 2.